The UP Fighting Maroons just got their first victory kontra sa UE Red Warriors. You know what time it is? Hands in. Si Noy Remogat talaga yung missing link, man. He just scored 21 points in this game. Scored 18 points in the first half. He had 5 threes there. 5 threes. Ganun siya kakumpiyansa. Siguro nasa isip ni Noy, ay ito yung nilaruan kong team. Di pwedeng pangit yung laro ko dito. Kasi pag pangit yung laro niya, syempre baba siya ng UE o kaya ng UP. Ewan ko. Syempre ayaw niya naman yun. And I'm happy that he woke up 2 games after kasi medyo lackluster talaga yung naging performance niya nung unang dalawang laro. Major appreciation din para kina Gani Stevens at kay Francis Noruka because they had more touches here. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katotoo yung QPAV curse, pero ibang-iba maglaro yung dalawang players na yun when they got out of QPAV. Francis Noruka was a walking highlight. He literally had 3 dunks, made the UP crowd scream. Ito yung pinag-uusapan dati sa comment section na parang wala talagang play para sa UP Bigs. So ang ginawa na lang ng dalawa, kung di nyo bibigay sa amin yung bola, kami na lang gagawa ng paraan. Kukunin namin yung rebound, di babalik namin dun. Pero props din kay Remogat kasi si Remogat yung isa sa mga players na nag-activate sa mga bigs niya. Madalas din na double team na siya, ando na yung help defense, tapos extra pass lang papunta kay Gani o kaya kay Noruka, easy 2 points. This is a very solid showing from the UP Fighting Maroons. I don't know what they did over the last few days, but they probably read the comments all over social media and said, enough is enough, it's time to win some games.